Did you know that over 96 million people shop on Etsy every single month? And some sellers are making over $10,000 per month selling simple products that they create from home. The craziest part is that many of the most successful sellers started with zero business experience and just a creative idea. And I know that you might be thinking, I want to start my Etsy shop, but I have no idea where to begin, or I'm scared and I will mess something up and waste my time. Or maybe everyone else seems to know this secret that I don't. You see all those successful Etsy shop making sales, but when you think about creating your own shop, it feels totally overwhelming. Like, where do you even begin? What you should sell, or how do you set everything up without making expensive mistakes? Well, starting an Etsy shop, it's actually way simpler than most people think. And when you combine it with print-on-demand services, you can literally start without any upfront cost or inventory. And the most successful new Etsy sellers aren't doing anything complicated. They're just following a simple 5-step process that anyone can do, even if you have never sold anything online before. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start your Etsy shop in 5 simple steps. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your shop, what products to sell, and how to make your first sale. Plus, I will show you how to use Gelato to create product without any upfront investment or storage headaches. So the first step is actually the most important one. And honestly, this is where most people get stuck because they overthink it. The most successful new Etsy sellers don't try to sell everything to everyone. They pick a specific niche and become known for that. Think about it. Would you rather buy a custom mug from someone who sells everything or from someone who specializes in cute coffee mugs for dog lovers? The specialist feels more trustworthy, right? Some of the most profitable niches right now are personalized gifts, home decors, wedding items, and even motivational prints. The key is picking something you're generally interested in because you will be creating content around it. And here's exactly how to do it. Make a list of your interests and hobbies. Then consider plant-themed prints or planters. You love coffee? Then think coffee mugs or kitchen decor. Are you into fitness? Motivational workout gear or water bottles are a great option. But just pick one niche that excites you. Then brainstorm 10 product ideas within that niche. And don't worry about being perfect. You can always expand later. For our step number 2 is going to be set up our Etsy shop like a pro. And here is where the magic happens. Setting up your actual shop. I'm going to show you the secret to making it look professional from day one. Your Etsy shop is like your online storefront, so it needs to look welcoming and trustworthy. The most successful shops have a few key elements. First of all, a clear shop name that tells you what they sell. Cozy Home Decor Co. or Personalized Gifts by Emma. A professional looking banner that matches their style and an about section that tells the story in a friendly way. Plus, they fill out their shop policies so customers feel safe buying from them. So to start, you just have to go to etsy.com and then from here, I'm just going to click in sign in. So if you don't have your account yet, you just have to click in register. Over here, you just have to add your email, your first name, and your password. And then you're just going to click in register. And once you have selected that option, it's going to take you to this option. So we're just going to go and set up our shop preferences. Over here, you just have to go and select your shop language, your shop country, and your shop currency. So you can go ahead and then just customize these options. And then you're just going to click in save and continue. Then over here, you have to go and select a name that goes with your niche. So over here, I just write this one, but as you can see, it's already taken. So I'm just going to go and select from these other options. So I like it this one, and then that's perfect. And now we can click in save and continue as well. Over here, you just have to go and set up your Etsy payment. So it's going to ask you your bank details and more details. So when you get your sales, this is how Etsy is going to pay you. And you can even go and choose your deposit schedule. So it can be every day, once per week, every 2 weeks, and once per month. And once you have set up this, you can click in save and continue. Now over here, you have to go and share your billing info. For this one, you just have to go and add a credit card because to set up an Etsy shop, we have a one-time setup fee, which is like $20. It appears 357 because my account is in Mexican pesos, but this is only one-time fee. Then you just add these details and then you authorize it. And once you have completed these steps, you already have your new Etsy account. And once you log in into your account again on Etsy, what you have to do is just go to this icon and then click in Shop Manager. Then from here, you're just going to click in Etsy again and over here in Edit Shop. It's in this section where we can go ahead and even add a color theme, our banner, our picture. We can even go and add a location if we want. We're just going to be customizing our shop till it looks very professional. You can use Canva to create a simple but pretty shop banner that matches your style. And I would recommend you to write an about section like you were talking to a friend. Share why you love creating these products and what makes your shop special. And then we can move on into our step number 3, which is creating our first products with Gelato. Instead of buying materials, creating products, storing them in your house, you can design products digitally and Gelato prints them and ships them only when someone orders. Think about custom t-shirt, mugs, wall art, notebooks, and all are created on demand. And the coolest part is that Gelato integrates it directly with Etsy. So when someone buys your product, it automatically gets printed and shipped to them. You literally make money while you sleep. And to start with this, the first thing that you have to do is just go ahead and click in the link on my description. Over here is going to send you to this Gelato page, and as you can see, you use this link, you will get a 50% off on your first purchase if you make it within 2 days of creating your account. And this is very useful for you to try out the quality of the products. And on this page, you just have to click in sign up for free. Once you have created your Gelato account, it's going to send you to this section. And the first thing that I would recommend you to do is just go ahead and connect your store. So you're just going to go to the section of stores, and then from here we have an amazing one-click integration with Etsy. So you just click in connect, and then from there you just log in into your Etsy account, and it's that simple. And you can do exactly the same for Shopify and all of these integrations that Gelato already offers. And to create these products, it's super simple. And we're going to click in product catalog. From here we can go ahead and select between all of these amazing options that Gelato offers. So we have men's clothing, which is all of these options. We also have women's clothing. We have wall art, we have tote bags, hats, and even more. So to show you how simple it is to create one of these amazing products, I'm going to be creating my product. And I'm just going to be creating a women's clothing. So I can go and then just go to the section of sweatshirts, and I can go and select from these options. If you want to know how to create these products with the help of AI, you can go and watch my video on how to turn AI images in real products. So for mine, I'm just going to be doing it with the Gelato's features. And to do this, the first thing that we have to do is just go ahead and check our shipping region. So as you can see, we have all of these options. You can select Europe, United Kingdom, or even all the regions. And you also can go ahead and check the pricing in different currencies. So for mine, I'm just going to keep it in USD. And as you can see with these 2 settings, I already have these options. Something that I would recommend you to check as well is just go and see which sizes it have, which colors it have. So as we can see, for this one, we have a lot of colors. And for this one, we only have gray, black, blue, and it's a bit more limiting on terms of colors. If we want to offer a variety of colors, this will be a difficult option. And you do that with all of your options. So for mine, I think this is a very good one. So I'm just going to click on it. And from here, we can see how it's going to look. As we can see, our product looks amazing. I really like it. We have a mock-up on men, on women, and we can take a quick look of how this is going to look. Over here, we can go ahead and first of all, select the color of our sweatshirt, and we can even go and select the size. If you want to select more than one and add them into your store, don't worry, because Gelato already have an option for doing this later on. So from here, we just recommend you to use the basic one. So we're just going to make white and S. Then from here, we can see the product price and the shipping price. So we can have an idea of these prices. And then we can click in add to store. Now it's over here in the product section where we can go ahead and add as many colors and as many sizing that we want. So if I want this one in blue, we already have these ones, and I want to offer for the 3 of them S, M, and L. So all of these ones are going to be showing in my store with S, M, L on white, pink, and blue. And I really love this because it makes it so simple for me to add as many products as I want with only a few clicks. Now from here, you can go ahead and upload your files to create your design. You can also go and add your text, even add some templates if you already have. We also have the section of graphics, and a really amazing feature that Gelato offers is this section that it's called personalized. From here, what we can do is just go and connect our email workflow. So every time that we get a new order, the personalization is going to be so smooth. So if you want to personalize a name, it's going to change it right away. If you want an image, it's going to also add an image. So as you can see, we can go ahead and add a personalized layer, and then we can add an image, a text, a collection, and a condition. So for mine, I think I will be doing a text. And then from here, we're just going to go and then just change my text. And for this customized text, I'm just going to be adding my text from the personalized layer. But I want to be adding more text, and this is the text that is not going to change. So I'm just going to add it from the text section. And then I'm just going to add the rest of my text. So I'm just going to add Mariana is the best sister. And I can even go and change the type of font. So if I don't want that one, I can go and then just change it for something more nice. And there we go. I really like it, this one. And now we can go ahead and add some elements. So this is more visually appealing. And then something like this, I think it's very on trend and I really like it. And as you can see, by creating one design, we have the option for the 3 colors. And with the personalization feature, it's going to be so smooth to change these details. Once we are done with our product and we want to take a quick look, we can click in preview. From here, you can see how your product is going to look on the mockup. So as we can see, it looks looks so good. I really like it. I really like how everything blends in and we can check for all of the colors. Since I really like it, I can click on X and now we can click and continue to mockups. It's over here where you can go and select the mockups for your product. So you can select from all of these, but you just have to remember that the ones that have crown are only available for Gelato Plus accounts. But another great feature that Gelato already integrate is the magic mockup. So I'm just going to click on it and then I can choose from these styles and then make my own mockup. So I'm just going to be choosing the lifestyle and I can click in generate mockup. And there it is. It looks amazing. I really like it, how it's so simple to generate our mockup and customers can naturally see how these products in a very natural way. So I can click in add mockup and there we already have it. And now we can click in continue to details. Now over here we can go ahead and add our title and our description, which is very important. And to do this, you can also go and use the help of AI. So over here, you just have to go and then give a small description of what is your product and for who is it. And then the AI will help you to come with ideas that you can use. So I'm just going to add a very simple prompt and then I can click in generate with AI. And as you can see over here, the AI already generated an amazing title, an amazing description, and a few ideas for our text. But I would recommend you to make your own search and see which titles are working and then use this as a base and then just customize it later on, since we can still go and change any of these options. So you have the best results. And once you're happy with this, you can click in apply. And then we can click in continue to prices. It's over here where we can go and select the pricing for our sweatshirt. So I would recommend you to include your shipping cost for your profit calculations. And then from here, what is very, very useful is using the set top profit margin. Because from here, if we just change these numbers, it's going to change all of our products with one click. And you don't really need to go and change one by one. And we can see the retail price, the product cost, the shipping cost, and our estimated profit per sale, which is amazing. And once you're happy with it, you can go and click in continue to review. And over here, we have all the details of our products. We have the name of the product, we have the color, the size, the retail price, the estimated profit. We also have the delivery regions. So for my price and my profit is showing in pesos because my account is actually in Mexican pesos. But if yours is in USD dollars, it will show in USD dollars. And we have this one spot, we have all of the products that we added in our product section. And now, congratulations, you have created your first product on Etsy. And you can click in publish. And for our last step, it's going to be launch and get your first sales. And this final step is going to turn your new shop from just another Etsy shop in one that actually makes sales. The most successful new shops don't just list their products and wait. They actively promote their launch. They share their new shop in social media or even offer a small launch discount to encourage first sales. Those few first sales are crucial because they give you reviews and help Etsy's algorithm start showing your products to more people. Plus, there is nothing more exciting than getting that you made a sale notification. Another powerful way of boosting your visibility right from the start is using Etsy ads. Even with a small daily budget, Etsy ads can put your products in front of buyers who are already searching for what you sell, giving your store that early push it needs to build momentum. And don't be afraid to experiment. Since Gelato makes it so easy to create and launch new designs or product without any upfront inventory cost, you can quickly test different ideas and see which one get the most clicks and sales. Double down on what's working will help you grow your store faster and more sustainable. Most importantly, be patient but consistent. Success builds over time. I know that you might be thinking, what if no one buys my stuff? Or what if I'm not creative enough? Well, every Etsy seller started with those same fears. The difference is that they started anyway. And your first product doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be helpful to someone. And before you start worrying about technical stuff, Etsy and Gelato are designed for regular people, not for tech experts. They have step-by-step tutorial, customer support, and everything is point and click simple. If you can use social media, you can definitely set up your Etsy shop. We're talking about going from an idea to a live product in under an hour. While other people are still researching and overthinking, you could have your first Etsy shop running today. No complicated setup, no inventory to manage, no shipping to handle, just simple design creation and listing optimization, and everything else is automated. Now, if you're wondering what other products you can create with Gelato, you can watch my video on how to create wild art and sell it on Etsy. The link is on my description. The online market is growing every single day, and people who start now are going to have such an advantage over those who wait. Every day you delay is another day someone else is building the business you're dreaming about. I'm so excited to see what amazing Etsy shops you create. Drop a comment below and let me know which niche you're thinking about starting with. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.